Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to contact Earnest customer support. So firstly you need to open any of the web browser and at the top there is address bar. You need to type down earnest.com and enter it. And once you're inside this homepage of Earnest, what you can do is scroll all the way to the bottom here. And under the bottom you can find this contact us here, select that. So once you're inside this contact us, what you can do is you can also click over here, that is the virtual assistance of Earnest. Over here, you can also chat with a virtual assistant. You can simply type down an issue and it will help you assist. And after that, you can simply follow the instruction here. And if you need more help, you need to scroll a bit down. And there's this option for callers. And over here, you can also find this number for the earnest refinance and private student loans. And now refinance loans is for this loan. And you can simply access to this number here. And before contacting, make sure you have your account or loan information available for your identity verification, and that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.